Hi there. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Professional Condenser USB Microphone set. This is the Condenser Microphone with one touch Maono AU-PM421. So I bought this on Amazon last week for $69.99 with free postage and packaging. It came about 2 days later, and this is the box. It came like that, so everyone could see what was there. But what we'll do now is we'll do an unboxing and we'll see what it's like. So here's the box, and we will start to unpack it. It's got the seals on it, so you can just prove that no one has touched it. So we'll now unbox this. We'll break the seals, which I think you're going to need a knife to do. Let's use a pen. One. There's two. So there's the box open, and as you can see what's inside. Tell your friends, have a review card, manual. Right, so we have the diffuser on a stretchy arm with a clamp, flexible clamp. We also have the microphone sponge diffuser. Into the main box now. You have the arm, which it feels reasonable quality. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Opens up nice and smooth. Yeah. Also, we have the microphone bracket. Still feels a bit light, flimsy, but it feels reasonably good quality. We have the USB connections for your PC. We have a Velcro strap. We have the microphone. And that's a nice weight to it. That feels very sturdy. Connector. Knob, which turns reasonably nice here. We have some beads for moisture, and then we have the table clamp. I mean, feels okay. Does feel a little bit flimsy, but what we'll do is we'll do a setup video and we'll see how it all goes together. But yeah, that is everything in the box. Just double check underneath. Yeah, that is it all. So hopefully soon we'll do a setup video connected to the PC, show how it all works, and then we'll do a review of it and how we think it works on the computer. Thank you for tuning in.